Saint Raphael of Brooklyn, February 27th. A Syrian-born hierarch undertakes extensive missionary journeys to establish the Orthodox Christian Church for scattered communities across North America. Saint Raphael, Bishop of Brooklyn, was born Rafla Hawawini in Beirut, Lebanon, in the year 1860. His parents, Michael and Mariam Hawawini, were pious Orthodox Christians. Shortly after his birth, civil unrest compelled his family to seek refuge in Damascus. This early experience of displacement marked the beginning of a life characterized by movement and service to a scattered people. At the age of 14, Rafla commenced his theological education at the Patriarchal School in Damascus. He applied himself diligently to his studies, mastering Arabic, Turkish, and Greek. His intellectual gifts were evident, preparing him for the pastoral and administrative duties that lay ahead. In 1879, he received the monastic tonsure, embracing a life dedicated to God. He was subsequently ordained a deacon and became a trusted assistant to Patriarch Hierotheus of Antioch, serving the church in a direct capacity. Seeking further theological understanding, he enrolled at the Theological Academy of Kiev in the Russian Empire in 1888. This period of advanced study deepened his connection with the Russian Orthodox Church, which would later play a significant role in his ministry in America. While still a student in Kiev, he was ordained to the holy priesthood in 1889, receiving the grace to celebrate the divine mysteries. After completing his studies, he served as the head of the Antiochian Representation Church, known as a Matokion, in Moscow. In 1895, a request reached Archimandrite Raphael from the Syro-Arab Orthodox Benevolent Society in New York City. The growing community of Arab-speaking Orthodox Christians in America required a pastor, a shepherd, to gather them. Responding to this call, Archimandrite Raphael journeyed to the New World. Arriving in New York in 1896, he immediately began his pastoral ministry, understanding the immense task before him. His work was characterized by tireless effort. He traveled extensively across the vast territories of the United States, Canada, and Mexico. His purpose was singular: to seek out Orthodox families, to establish communities where none existed, and to celebrate the divine services, bringing the sacraments to those who had been deprived. He founded the St. Nicholas Church in Brooklyn, which would later become the cathedral for his episcopal see. Through his labors, scattered individuals began to coalesce into organized parishes, receiving spiritual nourishment and a sense of belonging. A pivotal event in the history of Orthodoxy in America occurred in 1904. On March 13th, February 29th, according to the Julian calendar, Archimandrite Raphael was consecrated as Bishop of Brooklyn at St. Nicholas Cathedral. This consecration marked a historic moment, as it was the first time an Orthodox bishop was consecrated on American soil. He was appointed a vicar bishop to Bishop Tikhon, who was then the head of the Russian Orthodox mission in North America. This act demonstrated the canonical establishment of the Orthodox hierarchy in the Western Hemisphere and provided direct episcopal oversight to the diverse Orthodox flock. Bishop Raphael continued his ministry with unwavering dedication. In 1905, recognizing the need for spiritual instruction and communication among his Arabic-speaking parishioners, he established the periodical Al-Kalimat, the Word. This publication served as a vital link, disseminating Orthodox teachings, news, and spiritual guidance to the faithful across the continent. His pastoral care extended beyond any single ethnic group, embracing all Orthodox Christians who sought the spiritual solace of the Church. He built churches, founded schools, and nurtured the nascent Orthodox communities, laying a firm foundation for the future. After a life of self-sacrificing service, Bishop Raphael reposed in the Lord on February 27, 1915, after a short illness. His departure left a void, yet the fruits of his labor remained, evident in the established parishes and the growing presence of the Orthodox Church in North America. Many years later, in the year 2000, the Holy Synod of the Orthodox Church in America formally glorified Bishop Raphael as a saint. This act of glorification recognized his righteous life, his apostolic labors, and his enduring spiritual legacy. His feast day was established as the first Saturday in November, commemorating the anniversary of his birth, while the anniversary of his repose on February 27th is also honored. Saint Raphael of Brooklyn stands as a witness to the Orthodox faith, a builder of the church, and a shepherd who gathered the scattered flock in a new land, establishing the presence of Christ's body for generations to come.